New Notebook LM upgrades are insane. Build custom AI tools. You're wasting hours doing research Google could do for you in minutes. You're copying and pasting between 10 different tabs. You're trying to make sense of a 100-page PDF that just sits there. And you're using AI tools that give you generic answers that sound like everyone else. Here's what changed. Notebook LM just went from a simple note app to the most powerful custom AI tool most people don't even know exists. And it's completely free. Hey, I'm Ava. I help people actually use AI tools instead of just watching videos about them. And what just happened with Notebook LM is wild. Google dropped 5 massive upgrades in the past 3 months. Most people miss them, but if you handle any kind of documents, research, or learning, this is about to change how you work. Let me break down what's new and why it matters. Then I'll show you exactly how to use each feature. First up, custom personas just got 20 times bigger. Notebook LM used to let you customize how it talks to you, but you only had 500 characters. That's like 3 sentences. You could barely tell it to be professional. Now you get 10,000 characters. That's the difference between saying act like a teacher and building an entire teaching system with rules, examples, and exact formats. Let me give you real examples Google shared. The Ruthless Product Manager persona. You upload product docs and user feedback. It gives you decision memos, user evidence from your documents, feasibility checks, blind spots you missed, contradictions in your data. It's like having a senior product manager review everything. The middle school teacher persona. Upload complex topics. It breaks them down with pop culture references. 3-step processes. Quiz questions at the end. Perfect for learning new subjects or teaching others. The scientific researcher persona. Upload research papers. It analyzes them with academic rigor. Key findings, methodological strengths and weaknesses, contradictions with proper citations, PhD-level analysis without the PhD. You're not limited to these. Build a legal analyst, a content strategist, an SEO specialist, whatever expert you need based on your work. The 10,000 character limit means you can set exact tone, output formats, constraints, and rules. Here's how to set this up. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Upload your documents first. This is critical. NotebookLM needs sources to ground its responses. Click the gear icon in chat, find the custom prompt field. That field now holds 10,000 characters instead of 500. Paste your detailed persona. You can write your own or adapt the examples Google provided. Be specific. Don't just say, be professional. Say, act like a senior consultant who prioritizes data over opinions, structures answers in 3 clear points, and flags assumptions. The more detail you add, the better it works. Now here's the second massive upgrade, Gemini 3. Notebook LM officially runs on Gemini 3 now. Same interface, different brain. What does this mean for you? Significantly better reasoning, way better at connecting ideas across complex documents, better at handling messy data, less likely to make mistakes, more capable of nuanced analysis. If you're working with dense research papers or complicated information, the model now handles way more complexity. You can ask harder questions and get smarter answers. This upgrade happened in December 2025. Most people using Notebook LM don't even realize they're using a more powerful model now. Third upgrade, data tables. This one's huge if you work with information that should be in spreadsheets. Notebook LM can now scan your documents and pull out specific information into structured tables. Then export directly to Google Sheets. Real use cases. Turn meeting transcripts into action items organized by person and deadline. Build competitor comparison tables from market research, create study tables from textbooks organized by topic and key concepts. Before this, you had to manually copy information into spreadsheets. Now Notebook LM does it. Upload your sources, ask for a table, specify what columns you want. It builds it. Export to Sheets. Done. When I first started using these custom features, I was overwhelmed. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let's talk about the feature that changes research completely. Deep research. This is the one that made me stop using 3 other tools. Here's what it does. You give NotebookLM a research question. It creates a research plan, browses hundreds of websites for you, refines the search as it learns, then generates a full organized report with citations in minutes. Next feature, mind maps. Upload your sources. NotebookLM generates interactive visual maps of the concepts and how they connect. You can expand or collapse nodes, explore subtopics, get high-level overviews and detailed insights. Great for understanding complex topics or seeing relationships you missed. The audio overview feature got better too. This is the one that went viral. Upload documents. Click one button, get 2 AI hosts having a natural conversation about your content. They explain it like a podcast made just for you. Now you can customize the format, brief for quick summaries, critique for analysis, debate for multiple perspectives, deep dive for thorough exploration, adjust length and tone, perfect for learning while driving or working out. Video overviews work the same way. Turn documents into visual presentations. Flashcards and quizzes help you study. Slide decks and infographics for presentations, all generated from your sources, all customizable. NotebookLM now supports way more file types too. Google Sheets, Word documents, images, PDFs from Drive, URLs from Drive, audio files. You can combine everything in one place, then use all these tools on top of your complete knowledge base. Here's what this means practically. Students can upload course materials and create custom study systems. Researchers can build specialized analysis tools for their field. Writers can organize research and generate outlines. Marketers can analyze competitor data and create reports. Teachers can break down complex topics for students. Lawyers can review contracts with custom frameworks. Anyone who works with information can build their own AI expert. The key is specificity. Don't use NotebookLM like a generic chatbot. Upload your actual documents. Build detailed personas for your work. Use deep research to fill knowledge gaps. Combine everything into one workspace. Let the AI become your specialist. And it's free. No credit card, no subscription. Go to notebooklm.google.com, start uploading, start customizing. Most powerful AI tools cost hundreds per month. This one costs nothing and does things they can't. A few tips before you start. Always upload documents first. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Here's what to do next. Go to NotebookLM. Create your first notebook. Upload 3 to 5 documents about a topic you're working on. Build a custom persona for that specific work. Make it detailed. Give it rules and structure. Start asking questions. See how different it is from generic AI. Try deep research on a topic you need to understand. Compare the report to what you'd find manually. Notice the time saved, then combine everything, your documents, the research, your custom persona. That's when you see the real power. These upgrades turned NotebookLM into something completely different. It's not just about taking notes anymore. It's about building your own AI experts grounded in your actual knowledge, customized for your exact needs, free to use, constantly improving. Most people are still using it the old way. They're missing what just became possible. Don't be one of them. Go build your specialist. Upload your sources. Customize your assistant. Let it transform how you work with information. That's it for this one. If you learned something useful, let me know in the comments what you're going to build first. I read every single one. See you in the next video.